Hi everyone and welcome back. One question many brides ask is whether bridesmaids have to wear the exact same dress color. The answer is no. In fact, using different shades of the same color has become one of the most popular bridal party trends in the recent years. So let's talk about why it works. So make sure that you like the video, subscribe, and also just share.
When care is heavy and getting heavier still, if you need or want me, I'm never too hard to find. You know the places that I like to hide, and we'll go there side by side. You and I, our footsteps in perfect stride.
One of the biggest advantages is visual interest. Instead of having every bride in identical shade, a mix of tone creates depth and dimension in photos while still looking coordinated. For example, if your wedding color is blue, you could combine dusty blue, slate blue, navy, and light blue for a beautiful layered effect. For kids at wedding, we're going to share with you how to make these special guests feel welcome too. And the first thing I would suggest is get on the dance floor. Welcoming kids to join you on the dance floor is sure to make them feel special, and I would suggest having the band play a few kid-friendly hits early on in the evening. That way they can dance and have a great time with all of your other guests before the party is kicked up a notch.
When I need or want you, you're never too hard to find. I know
Another benefit is flexibility, and honestly, not every shade looks the same on every person. Allowing bridesmaids to choose from a range of tones can help each person find a color that complements their skin tone and also just feels comfortable. And the key is staying within the same color family. So lovelies, thank you so much for watching today's video. We'll share more tips on this on our next video, so make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And also I hope that I will see you on the next video. Mixing completely different colors can look disconnected, but varying shades of one color usually creates a cohesive, elegant appearance. And also, fabric consistency can also help tie everything together. If possible, choose a similar fabric so dresses feel coordinated even when the shades do vary. And honestly, this approach often makes the bridal party look more modern and stylish than the perfectly matching dresses.
fighting battles uphill, when care is heavy and getting heavier still.
Bridesmaids can absolutely wear different shades of the same color. When done thoughtfully, it creates a stylish, coordinated look that photographs beautifully and allows each bridesmaid to feel her best. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.